What I'm doing here today is changing the oil on a Super Duty Ford. This happens to be the 6.8 liter gas, very similar to the 7.3 liter. What we're first going to do is bring the truck up to operating temperature, and next we're going to go in here and loosen up our oil fill cap. Items you're going to need are a 15mm wrench, new oil filter, 8 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic or synthetic blend, a little bit of aluminum foil, oil filter wrench, some gloves, and a rig. Also a catch pan. Okay, on the back of the oil pan here there is a 15mm drain plug. However, if you take and remove that drain plug, all the oil will hit this oil cooler here for your transmission. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of aluminum foil on that so we don't have such a mess. Okay, got my foil tucked up under there. We'll go ahead and we'll take a 15mm, crack that loose. Okay, my catch pan ready. The angle from the other side, from the front of the vehicle. So you can see with your aluminum foil it'll all go right in there, less of a mess. Now we'll remove the oil filter. It is right alongside the oil pan here. Okay, now the oil filter's gone, we'll go and clean up the mating surface here and ensure that the old gasket from the old oil filter didn't get stuck there. And we'll go ahead and prep our new oil filter and put that on. Okay, got our new oil filter here. Just gonna put a little oil on there and ensure we get some oil on our gasket here. Now we'll go and install it. Okay, you want to tighten this up. Do 3/4 to 1 turn after it contacts the mating surface there. You should be good to go. Now we'll go ahead and move our aluminum foil that we have up there, and we'll replace our drain plug here. Okay, we'll look at the rubber gasket in there. Looks good. We'll go ahead and put our drain plug back in, and we'll just tighten this up a little over snug, about 30 foot-pounds. You are going into aluminum, just be aware of that. Okay, we'll go ahead and place a funnel in there and put our 8 quarts of oil in here. Okay, we'll remove our funnel, place our oil fill cap here. Okay, now you want to check your oil level. So take our dipstick out, wipe it down with a rag. Go ahead and place that in there. Pull it out. What we want to do is see the oil level between this little hole here and in the checkered area, and we're full right up to that hole. We should be good to go. Now that we replaced the dipstick, we'll go inside and reset the oil life reminder. To reset the oil life reminder, you will put your key and turn it to the on position or your push button. Next you'll go on your steering wheel to the menu and you will keep hitting that till vehicle maintenance shows up. Use the down arrow till vehicle maintenance, hit OK. Go to oil life and hit and hold that until it reads 100%. Turn your key off, you're all done.